Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Can you guess what lesson we are going to take, children? Different types of plants are there. We are going to learn about more about plants. Class 6, subject science. Topic more about plants, part 1. Introduction. More about plants, types of plants, parts of plants. We are going to discuss. Types of plants. Herbs are very small plant and it grows only in a medium size. Grass, wheat are the examples. Shrubs. It is also a medium sized plant, very strong stem. Creepers. It grows along with the ground. Pumpkin, watermelon. Climbers. It's climb wall or stick. Trees. It has a thick stem called trunk, can live many years. Shrubs are small sized and soft stem. Examples are tomato, brinjal, and wheat. Shrubs are medium sized plant and hard and woody stems. Examples are rose and tulasi. Hibiscus, lemon. Let me see creepers. These plants have weak stem. They grow along the ground. Watermelon, pumpkin are the examples. You can see this plant will grow along the ground. Okay? Pumpkin. Next, climbers. They have weak stem. Climbs grow along support such as wall and sticks or other plant. You can see grapevine, pea plant, and money plant are the climbers. Trees. Trees or tall plant have a thick main stem called trunk, and it has a branches also, and it can live many years. Mango, neem, banyan tree are the examples. Let me see about parts of plant. Yeah, there are two types of parts of plant: shoot system and root system. In a root system we have root, and root absorb water and minerals and passes through all part of the plant. And we have in a shoot system flowers, leaf, fruits, stem. Stem supports the plant, and fruits protect the seeds, and leaf perform photosynthesis because in presence of chlorophyll pigment, and flower helps in reproduction. Parts of plant: stem, flower, seeds, fruits, leaves, and roots. So the root system. This is root system, and this all part is known as shoot system. Shoot system. Let me do a small exercise. leaf, stem, root, fruit, flowers. Two types of systems in the plant: root system and shoot system. Let me see about root. Types of roots: tap root and fibrous root. These are the two main root: tap root and fibrous root. You can see here structure: tap root and fibrous root. And fibrous root look like a bushy like structure, and tap root have a main root, and we have a root hair and root cap, and this is known as primary root. The main root is known as primary root. And fibrous root look like a bushy like structure, and tap root have secondary root, tertiary root, and primary root. Tap root, primary root, and secondary root. Taproot system. Primary roots grow down from the stem with some secondary roots forming. So it is a primary root, and here you can see this is a secondary root and root hair. The next one is fibrous root. And fibrous root, that is the lateral root, and it goes only the smaller part to the ground, and it absorb water and minerals and spread just below the soil. Let me see the functions of root. And support: water is drawn up the plant, and this column is water support to the plant. And it can be, the plant can be to be straight. The root helps the plant to be straight, and water evaporates from the leaves. And food: roots take up water containing nutrition. Root helps absorb water and transport minerals from the soil. And root also help the support to plant to be straight. And root anchor a plant to the ground. And root store food as well as absorb water and dissolved nutrition from the soil. So these are the main functions for the root. Let me recap. The two types of root system are tap root and fibrous root. And it has a root cap, protect the growth zone of the root, and root hair increase water absorbing rate, and anchor support the plant, absorb water and dissolve nutrition from the soil, and store water and food. Let me see some modifications of root. First one: root modified to store food. Roots of some plants store food and become swollen. You know the better example: radish and carrot, turnip, sweet potato, and beetroot. This stores extra food in root, and we are taking as a vegetable. Beetroot, turnip, carrot, and radish. This is the first modification of root. The second one: root modified to climb. Roots of some plants are modified to help the plant to climb up walls, rocks, or trees. Money plant and black pepper. You can see here money plant and black pepper. Actually, the black pepper will be in the green in color. When you dry, it become a black in color. The third modification is modify to observe nutrition. Roots of some plant observe nutrition and water from the host plant. Actually, the plant can prepare the food, but some plants will absorb the food from the host plant. Let me see, Dodar plant. And this plant will absorb the nutrition and water from host plant. Parasite roots, Dodar, and this plant will absorb nutrition from the host plant. The fourth modification is roots modified to provide extra food support, and plants grow extra roots from their branches. They grow downwards and provide pillar like support to the branches. These roots are called prop roots. Example is banyan. So banyan tree can live many years, and you can see the roots. So these roots are known as prop roots. This give extra support to the plant to be straight. The fifth modification is multiplication in plants. Roots of some plant can give the raise to a new plant. Dahlia and asparagus is the plant. We can get a new plant from the root. Thank you, children. This class we discussed about parts of plant and types of root and modifications of root. Let me see next class. Thank you.